Electronic whiteboard use aluminum alloy frame, strong, durable, rust-resistant, and long service life. Is to be equipped with a projector. Short-throw projector is recommended, and a computer to achieve interactive teaching effects. Easy to use. Change to a large touch screen in seconds. Easy to install, supports wall-mounted installation and mobile bracket. Preschool general education. Electronic whiteboard eye protection. Student parents rest assured. 20/40 multi-touch. Response speed less than or equal. 10 ms. Write fluently. 22 shortcut keys. Rich teaching resources. Minimum recognition point 4 mm. 4 mm. Support finger, stylus, eraser touch, EITL touch support, OEM ODM service, customizable color, logo, size, change software graphics, packaging, etc. Welcome everyone to visit EITL Touch. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us@libaba.com.